So let's do a problem on circumcenter now. Let me draw one for you. And when I'm done drawing it, you can pause it. Also, wait for me to tell you what to look for. Okay, so. Well, I'm just going to tell you. The circumcenter point is W. That's in your instructions, okay? So now I'm going to give you the rest of the information. This is 24. You guys see that? 24? This whole thing is 32. This one is 19. And let me see. This VS is 21. Oh, I have to finish the diagram. Okay, so let me tell you what to find. We're finding RS, we're finding WS, TW, TQ, QV, TW, and WV. Okay, so if you want to pause right now and do the problem, okay? I'm going to do the problem. So the first thing that you have to do before you start any problem is fill out your diagram. I was told that the circumcenter is W, which means that I will get a lot of things out of that. It means that it is a perpendicular bisector right here, and right here, okay, to the sides. These ones go to the vertices. That's not a side, okay? This is the side, this is the side, and this is the side, okay? Now I also know from the circumcenter definition that the circumcenter to all my vertices are also congruent. Okay, now I filled out my diagram. I'm going to get those points, okay? And now I'm going to start filling in what I know. So let's, I can't see the other color. Oh, here's the color. Let's fill out what we know. If this is 19, then this must be 19. If this is 21, then this must be 21. 32 divided in 2, here's 16 and 16. Okay, 24 is right there, it's also right there, and it's also right there. So let's see if we figured most of our stuff out. Okay, if you can get all of this, that's like 8 points out of 10, you know? So let's see, RS. Do we have RS yet? Where's R? R to S is 19 plus 19, that gives me 38. Let's see, WS, well we figured out that to be 24. TW, let's see, TW, we don't know that one yet. Oh, I marked it twice, let me just cross that one off. We don't know that one yet. Let's move on, TQ. TQ is 16, and we figured that one out. And QV, Q to V, we got 21 out of that one. WV, we don't know that one yet. Okay, TW, let's see what we got. TW, we have this right here. It's either this, we got right triangle right here, right triangle right here. You can use either one. They're actually exactly the same. Let's use this one because that's where my perpendicular side is. So I got TW, I have the hypotenuse and a leg. Of course, when we're looking for the third side of a right triangle, we will use the Pythagorean theorem. 16 squared plus TW squared equals 24 squared. Hypotenuse is across from my right angle, as you can see. So, if I do all my work, I get TW is 17.9. Okay. Now we're looking for VW. VW is right here. Okay. And another right triangle with two sides. So let's see. VW is a leg. Here's my writing. We have 21 as in the leg, and the hypotenuse is 24. If I do all my work, I get VW is 11.6. Okay. And of course the last one we'll be working with is incenter. Actually, I hope you guys can see that. Alright. Let us do incenter. Incenter is the last one I taught you. You should have your notes on it. If not, incenter is made up of your angle bisectors. So I got this one, and that one. They sort of meet like right there. I know it's kind of crappy, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so I know it's made up of my angle bisectors. So both sides, this one can go to this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Now, coming out, if I have my incenter, then I get sides from the point to the sides are going to be congruent, equidistant. This is congruent to this, is congruent to this. Okay? Actually, I'll make them circles because they're on the inside. Okay. Another thing that you have to remember about your incenter is that it makes the sides that are cut off by these sides, like this, congruent. So this one and this one, this one and this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you got to memorize this chart. You got to fill it out on the quiz for points. Okay, so you can take a picture if you need to. I'm going to give you a problem. Pretty good incenter. Okay, this is J. This is M. This is K up here. This is K up here. This is N. This is L. This is O. Okay, I'm going to give you 24, 30, 35 degrees. Let's see. I think that should be. Let me just make sure. Oh, okay. This one. Wait. This is P in the middle right here. I give you 13 right there. And this is 32 degrees. That little one right there. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay. So we're good. So these are the things I want you to find. I want you to find the measure of angle MJP, measure of angle NKP, measure of angle KLJ, and measure of angle JKL. I want you to find side NP, side KM, side KP, and side PL. So you can pause it and do this right now if you need to. Well, do it. Pause it. But I am going to do the problem. Okay. So I'm going to fill out my diagram first. I'm going to use different colors so you can see what I filled out. And I'm going to have to fill everything out. So all the sides right here, what's this one? Those are all congruent. This side to this side, this side to this side. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. It also makes all of my little angles congruent. Okay, now that I have that, I can start filling things out. This is 30, then this is 30. This is 35, this is 35 degrees. This is 32, this is 32 degrees. Here's a 24 side. Here's a 30. Oh, no. Nope. That's wrong. I was wrong. I was doing circumcenter. 24 goes up here. 24 right there. And we don't have this side right now. This is 13, so this will be 13, and this will also be 13. Okay. Let's see. I think we're okay for now. Alright, let's see. Measure of angle MJP. MJP is going to be 35 degrees. We figured that out. Let's say, remember, the middle letter of your angle is the vertex of that angle. So I start K, and then we go to L, or no, K, yeah, K, L, J. That is this whole thing right here. I want to know the total. And 32 plus 32 is actually, KLJ is 64. That one's 64. Where's NKP? NKP? Do we know this one yet? Do I have anything for that? Don't have anything for that yet. We'll get to it. Did I give you anything? Yes. Okay. In order to find NKP, I have this angle right here, that's 64. This angle right here, 35 plus 35 is 70. And so I can find the whole thing up here by doing the triangle angle sum theorem. Okay, so 70 plus 64 plus that angle, let's call it x, equals 180. Okay, and that will give me, let's see, 110 minus 64, 46. Okay, so the whole thing up here is 46 degrees. When I cut it into two pieces, I get 23 and 23. And NKP. NKP is going to be 23 degrees. Okay, so that took me a little bit of time to figure out too. But I saw, okay, well I don't have a way in this triangle or in this triangle, but I do have the big triangle to work with. Okay, okay, let's see, JKL. JKL. Well, we already know that one. We figured that one out. That's 46 degrees. Let's see. Where's NP? We know NP is 13. KM, we found that out to be 30. KP, where's KP? KP. Do we have that one yet? No, we don't have this one, but we do have a right triangle with two of the sides. So, okay. So that would give me 30 squared plus 13 squared equals KP squared. And if I did the math on that one, I get 32.7. And I want to find PL now, right here. And that also gives me two sides, right here, 13 and 30, of a right triangle. If I do the math, so that one, PL will be 13 squared plus 30 squared is PL squared. So PL is going to be 27.3. Okay? And that is the full problem. Okay? So once again, you guys got to memorize these charts. Okay, fill in your diagrams. Even if you don't get the Pythagorean theorem ones, or if you didn't get these two, it's okay. Fill out what you can based on memorizing the chart and filling things out without even paying attention to what you're looking for. Okay, so then you'll fill it out and then you'll start to work from there. Okay, I'll leave you guys with math joke, bad math joke. What do you call two L's in a row? Parallel. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy your snow day. Bye.